Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Apple Pencil is ready. Check pairing and battery because an unpaired pencil won't send home gestures. Once done, wake and unlock the iPad so gestures register immediately. Make sure the pencil tip is secure on magnetic models or has no protective cap that blocks contact. You'll use direct strokes from the edge, so prepare the device surface and your grip now, positioning your hand to avoid accidental touches and keeping the pencil angle comfortable for precise swipes. You place the pencil tip close to the bottom center edge of the display because starting at the correct location ensures iPad interprets the gesture as home. Then, swipe up in one firm, continuous motion. Quick, segmented movements can register as app gestures instead. Maintain a steady speed and consistent contact so the system reads the direction. If you need to switch apps, pause slightly then continue. This helps the OS recognize the intent to go home rather than launch an app switcher. You should now see the home screen. Tap an icon to confirm responsiveness. If the pencil doesn't trigger the home gesture, repair it in settings under Bluetooth because pairing errors are common. Once repaired, try the swipe again. If gestures still fail, restart the iPad to clear temporary glitches and then check for iOS updates which can fix gesture recognition. Finally, make sure screen protectors aren't blocking sensitivity. Replace or adjust them if necessary to restore reliable pencil input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.